Hey everyone, I'm Blendy, co-founder of Remade, and today I'll be walking you through one of Remade V2's new workflows, AI backgrounds. So let's jump right in. Let's pretend that I am the owner of a small fragrance store, for example, and this is an image that's currently on my website. It's not a bad image, but let's just say I want to add more creativity to it so I can put it on my social media, replace this image on my website, or whatever it may be. So first things first, we'll have a look at this image. So we can open this in a new tab and have a look. Okay, we can work with this, definitely. So all we do is we'll save the image. Cool. Now if we head over to the Remade app, scroll down to AI backgrounds, we can start creating. So for first-time users, there'll be a small tutorial like this that comes up, but today I'll be the tutorial, so we can skip this. Okay, all we've got to do is now upload the image that we just saved. So this perfume, let's do it. Nice, okay, so then you'll get onto this canvas. And what you can do here is you can resize the image and you can also place it around the canvas. And this will determine where the perfume will show up in the actual generated images. So I think the size is good. I'll just want to center this. Cool, okay. And on the left here, what's happening is we have a vision language model that actually looks at this product. It looks at this perfume and it gives it a name, so Versace Eros Flame. And it will give it a description as well. So it says a red glass bottle with intricate geometric patterns, all the good stuff. So what this does is it will actually help our model place this in a scene more naturally. So Remade has suggested me some photo shoots for this. Golden elegance, sensual opulence, midnight glamour, radiant aura, modern sophistication. I'm going to select them all because they all sound pretty good. Okay, since it's Versace, let's do like a ancient Greek scene. And then let's just make it sunny as well. So press this to add this as a custom photo shoot. And now all we've got to do is click on generate photo shoots. Okay, generate. So now we're just spinning up our GPUs, uploading the image, and we're going to start the generation process. And this will take maybe about 1 or 2 minutes to get all your photo shoots. Okay, so all of the photo shoots have now finished generating. All that's left to do is check them out. So let's go for this golden elegance one, for example. Wow, these are looking, dare I say, fantastic. I like the placement on this one. And these look great. Let's have a look at the custom photo shoot. Okay, I love what it's done here, placing it in a ancient Greek sort of building. Yep, very, very nice. Now at this stage, I actually wanted to announce to you guys a feature that Remade is going to launch in the next couple of days, but we haven't announced it yet, which is image to video. So I think that this sensual opulence photo shoot will be a good use case. So let's actually try it out. Okay, if we go to one of the images, let's say this one, you can see here with a shiny new sticker that we can now do image to video. So I'll show you how this works. All you do is pick one of the images in your photo shoot like I've done, press this video, and all you do is in natural language just describe what you want to happen in the scene. So let's just do something simple. Let's do a scene where we have the rose petals flying about in the wind, and then let's make it cinematic as well, because why not? And then we'll click generate video. Okay, so after 1 or 2 minutes, our results are ready. So this is the result that we just generated. And this one down here is actually one that I did previously. So you can see that it's adhered to the prompt very well. It's even making these silk sheets sway in the background. And I mean, this is a very specific use case. Like for these image to video tools, the limit really is your imagination. And I can't wait to see what everyone creates. So stay tuned for Remade's image to video announcement, which, like I said, will happen in the next couple of days. And we can't wait to see you there. Thank you very much.